I am Curtis Kirk, and here at PlayMate Enterprise we make an electronic coaster called the PlayMate. It shows you the high, mids, and lows of an audio input in red, green, or blue, and it uses surface mount technology to create a very mobile visual display of an audio input. We make surface mount technology electronics. We use a manual stencil press, which uses a stencil such as that. We take the PCB board and we place it on to the stencil press. We then close the stencil and take solder paste and we put it across here, and then we take and spread it, and that places the solder on all the little silver dots. Then we take it over to the pick and place, and it uses a robotic program system to pick and place the individual surface mount technology parts. And then when the construction build is done, we take it from this machine over to a reflow oven where we put it inside, and it heats up and it goes through a setting period, and then it cools down, and at that point all the surface mount technology components are set into the board, and any through hole parts we bring over to a manual solder station where we would then complete the construction of the electronic board and put it in anti-static bags or any other packaging that we need. Here at PlayMate Enterprise we use additive manufacturing or 3D printing to make plastic enclosures for the PlayMate electronic coaster. It's a simple process. We just load the color filament that we want to make the enclosure, and it gets fed through an extruder and is printed in an XYZ platform that goes up and down and heats up. And after a certain amount of build time, we turn this into a plastic enclosure and completes the process. I started an interest in electronics when I was very young, and fortunately I was able to go through different times in my life where the development of my knowledge into electronics and technology continued for me. And as I went through college, I developed my electronic coaster, the PlayMate, as part of my graduation project, and I just continued with it as a product to carry into a business as something that I could make as time went by, and as an example of my ability and dedication to quality in the manufacturing of electronic devices. When I started PlayMate Enterprise, we set out to not just make the PlayMate, but also start an availability to the business service of modern electronic manufacturing and modern plastic fabrication. Something that would be simple for others who might, be starting out with an interest or desire to make newer technology devices. We offer this as a business service in our area. It is a growing industry that requires a new set of tools that really, in the past haven't necessarily been available to people in this area, and it's a great advantage to be able to have it available at this time. It's a great resource for anybody who might have a great idea and just needs the availability to the systems that it really requires to build these new electronic devices. Anybody with any interest can contact us through our website, themusicmate.com or playmateenterprise.com. And everyone, please be sure and visit us at the Maker Fair, where we can show you a little bit more about additive manufacturing or 3D printing. And be sure and register to win your own M3D micro 3D printer. And any questions, you can also call us 903-534-3977. And thanks.